everyone. Today I'm meeting with Angie. She's doing my hair.
We are going to do a balayage blonde today with just a base root and a few low lights throughout. I'm very excited. Very excited for this transformation.
Very exciting too.
All right. I'll be posting this soon. Yep, stay tuned.
Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to see you guys here. So today Angie is doing my hair and we are going to do blonde. I hope my hair will be listening as I want because my hair stubborn sometimes. But anyways, we'll see. And we will show you the process after 6 hours, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope everybody stay tuned for it. And you will see the process soon.
Yes. All right. Hello. 4 hours later, we got the foils in her hair.
Yes, 4 hours.
4 hours, Jean-Claude here. With me, Angie Frick. Hey. Frickin' making it happen.
Stay tuned for it.
Yes,
Stay tuned for the final.
Whoop. Deuces.
Hi everybody, and this is the result of my hair. It's so pretty. I'm so satisfied.
Yay. Did a violet frost with shades EQ to knock out more of the little bit of the warmth that popped out over the last few days. So, yes,
so pretty.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Angie.
You're welcome, dear. Okay.